Creating an account on Sezzle is a straightforward process that allows you to shop online with flexible payment options. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Sezzle website. Go to the official Sezzle website using your preferred web browser. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage to begin the registration process. Step 2. Provide your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. This will be used for account verification and communication. Make sure to choose an email you check regularly. Step 3. Create a password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Fill out personal information. Complete the required fields with your personal information, such as your name, phone number, and billing address. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid issues later. Step 5. Agree to terms and create account. Read through Sezzle's terms and conditions, then check the box to agree to them. Finally, click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once your account is created, you can start using Sezzle for your online purchases. Enjoy the flexibility of paying over time.